Good afternoon. My name is Lakia Hawkins, and I am the CEO and President of SteelPoint Solutions. Today I will be discussing with you our core capabilities, our past performance, and also providing an overview of our leadership team. SteelPoint was incorporated in 2013. We received our first contract supporting the National Security Agency, and subsequently we went on to receive numerous contracts with other large prime contractors providing support such as application development, cross-domain solutions, storage and disaster recovery, using our agile methodologies and processes. SteelPoint is known as a trusted service provider. We have positioned ourselves to demonstrate that we know and understand our customers' challenges, and because of that, we realized significant growth in the last 3 years. We'd like to take that growth and transition it into a position where we can prime our first contract, supporting other agencies and leveraging what we've done right in support of their missions. SteelPoint is a woman-owned small business, as well as a HubZone, as well as a 8A certified company. We have our office located in Calverton, Maryland, so we're centrally located and accessible both from Virginia as well as Baltimore. Our leadership team is comprised of myself as well as our senior VP, Mr. Dwight Campbell, who has over 25 years of experience. He has multiple certifications and degree, and he's also an adjunct professor at Bowie State University. Also, we have Mr. Christian Reguren. He's our Research and Development Director, and he's responsible for evaluating and developing C&D solutions. Dr. Richard Merritts, he leads our business development effort, and he's responsible for growing our business not only at NSA but also across our portfolios with regards to other agencies that we would like to enter, such as the FBI as well as Department of Education and NGA. Mr. Michael Hawkins, he is our Special Projects Director, and he is responsible for managing and leading efforts internally to SteelPoint to help us in terms of restructuring our processes, building relationships with HBCUs and other companies, as well as he also leads the program down at the FBI as a Senior Program Manager. And then we close that out with Ms. Sheila Bates. She has over 35 years supporting the NSA in various capacities, and she brings that wealth of experience to SteelPoint as our Operations Director. SteelPoint's capabilities, we have several, but our core focus areas are cybersecurity, application development, as well as cross-domain solutions. We also provide support and services as well as solutions in the areas of cloud computing and analytics. And then we close that out with also providing storage and disaster recovery. And one of the things that I'm most proud of is our demo and training lab located in our facility in Calverton, Maryland, where we actually provide training to both our employees as well as potential customers. With regards to cybersecurity, SteelPoint utilizes a sound methodology to identify our customers' security requirements, integrate security into the development processes with an understanding of the federal directives and policies required to implement those requirements, and also working with the authorization and accreditation officials to determine whether or not those requirements satisfy their needs, and if not, we go back and we work with the development team. We also provide C&D support, which is computer network defense, as well as CNO, which is computer network operations support, as a part of our cybersecurity services. One of the areas of success that we like to tout is where we went and support the U.S. CERDAC, that is located in Aberdeen, Maryland. We were brought in to provide Tier 2 support and to help a new company understand what the risk management framework process was about. We helped them understand the DICAP process, and we leveraged that process to help them get their secret level authority to operate for a data at rest solution that was going to be used by forward deployed soldiers helping to fight the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. So we're very proud of that. Next, we also do application development. And as I alluded to earlier in the introduction, we use a combination of open source as well as COTS products to develop our solutions for our customers. We also are SMEs in the areas of cross-domain solutions. We provide that support to NSA, and we've been doing it for about 4 years. We provide cradle-to-grave solution support where we actually have our architects who work at the front door receiving the requirements, developing the solutions, all the way to deployment where we actually have our integrators and operators deploying those solutions for different customers. And those customers not only are internal to NSA, but there are other federal customers as well, such as the FBI, NGA, and even U.S. Treasury. Moving on, next we also provide cloud computing support. We have AWS as well as Azure in our lab, in our spaces. We have both on-premise and off-premise solutions, and we can utilize that experience and leverage to help you optimize your environment should you decide to transition your legacy services over to the cloud. Finally, we also provide our analytics support as well as our storage and disaster recovery support. All of these services can be utilized and leveraged to help enable you achieve and accomplish your mission objectives. Lastly, what I'd like to mention is that we're one of the only few small, women-owned small businesses that actually has a fully staffed research and development team. I'm very proud of that because in March of 2017, we're planning to submit our pre-patent application for our secure information sharing application. And we also will be working with agencies such as NSA, the FBI, and UCDMSMO to leverage this capability to help them transmit their information securely from one domain to the next. SteelPoint Solution is known for being a customer service oriented organization. We have mission-driven subject matter experts that are there to help our customers exceed and excel. You can get in contact with us by reaching me directly at 301-383-8112 or sending an email to bizdev, that's BUSDEV, at steelpoint-llc.com. Thank you. I look forward to working with you and helping you solve your most challenging needs.